Alright, we have a battle between two budget kings, the Tecno Spark 30C and the Redmi 14C. If you are in the market looking for a budget-friendly smartphone, which of these two should you buy? Well, let's find out right after you click on that like button and that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Thank you. Starting off with the design and the build quality, the Tecno Spark 30C comes with a sleek plastic body, a glossy finish, and a slightly curved frame, making it comfortable to hold. On the other hand, the Redmi 14C also has a plastic build, but with a more textured back, giving it a better grip. Both phones feature a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, but the Redmi 14C looks a bit more premium with its camera module design. If you like flashy designs, the Redmi 14C might be the one for you. But for a more subtle, clean and classic look, the Tecno Spark 30C takes the lead. One major difference between the Tecno Spark 30C and the Redmi 14C is that the Tecno Spark 30C is IP54 dust and splash resistant rated, while the Redmi 14C has no official rating. Another advantage of the Tecno Spark 30C is its stereo speaker setup, while the Redmi 14C only has a mono speaker setup. However, both phones still retains the headphone jack. Now, let's talk about the screen. The Tecno Spark 30C has a 6.6 inches hole-punch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, giving you a smooth scrolling experience while also looking modern at the same time. The Redmi 14C, on the other hand, feature a 6.8 inches U-notch IPS LCD display with the same 120Hz refresh rate. While it offers a slightly larger screen, the notch makes it look a bit outdated. Both displays are HD+, so don't expect the sharpest visuals, but they are decent for media consumption. If you want a slightly bigger display, the Redmi 14C wins this one. But if you want something a little bit more compact and looks a little bit premium, the Tecno Spark 30C again takes the lead in that department. The Tecno Spark 30C under the hood runs on the MediaTek Helio G81 chipset, while the Redmi 14C is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset. Now, here is the thing, they are both the same chipset, right? Forget about the ultra branding at the back. The internet may be telling it it's better for performance or gaming or for optimization. But trust me, in the real world use, both devices perform almost identical. They handle gaming, multitasking, and even light video editing the same way. Both devices can play games at low to medium graphics settings, and everything the Spark 30C can do, the Redmi 14C can do as well. There's no clear winner in this category. Both devices comes in the 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB of RAM variant, but for better multitasking and experience, I'll recommend the 6GB or even better still, the 8GB of RAM variant. Both phones run on Android 14, but the Tecno Spark 30C comes with HiOS, while the Redmi 14C runs on HyperOS. This comes to personal preference. HiOS offer a lot of customization features, while HyperOS feels smoother and better optimized. Both devices comes with bloatware, meaning you will need to uninstall some unnecessary apps. But if you like customization and extra features, the Tecno Spark 30C is the way to go. But if you prefer a more refined and minimal look, the Redmi 14C is the better choice. And when it comes to software updates, should both devices get software updates? Yes. Will both devices get software updates? That I'm not sure of. Cameras are super important in a smartphone. The Tecno Spark 30C packs a 50 megapixel main camera alongside an AI lens. The Redmi 14C also has a 50 megapixel primary shooter. Under good lighting conditions, both phones produce solid photos, but Xiaomi image processing is slightly better, delivering more natural colors. Tecno Spark 30C has an 8 megapixel selfie camera, while the Redmi 14C has a 13 megapixel front shooter. If you take a lot of selfies, the Redmi 14C gives you better quality with more detail. For videos, the Redmi 14C shoots at 1080p 30 frames per second max, while the Spark 30C can go as high as 2K 30 frames per second max. So this one is really simple. The Tecno Spark 30C is better when it comes to video recording. The Tecno Spark 30C comes with a standard 5000 mAh battery, while the Redmi 14c push it a little bit higher to 5160 mAh battery. Both phones will easily last a full day, but the Redmi 14c may last about 5 to 10 minutes extra because of the higher milliampere battery. When it comes to charging, both phones support 18-watt fast charging. However, the Redmi 14c includes a 30-watt charger in the box, which should fully charge the device in about 2 hours. Meanwhile, the Tecno Spark 30C also take roughly the same time to charge, and both brands include the charger in the box, which is nice. Which one should you buy? Honestly, it all comes down to personal preference. Both phones are very similar, and if you pick one over the other, you are not missing out on anything significant. Do you want a modern design, customization, stereo speakers, and a better video recording? Go for the Tecno Spark 30C. But if you want something like a slightly bigger screen, the better selfie, and a longer lasting battery, the Redmi 14C is the way to go. That is my full comparison on the Tecno Spark 30C and the Redmi 14C. Let me know in the comment section below which device would you be going for, and let me know which device you want me to review next. And again, don't forget to smash that like button to go a long way, and that subscribe button to keep updated on our next video. And as always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.